Hi guys and welcome to Coding Academy. I'm going to be the instructor and I'm going to be teaching you guys a lot of awesome things. But in this specific video, we are going to be learning how to set up Sublime Text in your macOS. So let's get started. All you need to do is to click on your web browser. So in this case, in my Mac, I'm using Safari, but it's totally up to you. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser. So to write lines of code, we need to have a text editor, and there are a bunch of text editors out there that you can pick and use them for free. So I'm gonna open my Safari browser and navigate through Google. So in the search bar, I'm going to write Sublime Text and hit enter. Here we go. So the very first link will take you to the download page of Sublime Text where you can download the package. For your information, I would like to let you know that Sublime Text is free. However, a license must be purchased for continued use. But still, if you feel like you don't need the license, then you can just ignore it. Alright, so in here you can notice that the first operating system is OS X. And let's click on it. And it's downloading. And you can see it's downloading. It may take some time to download. It depends on the speed of your internet connection. The faster the connection, the faster the files will be downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you should double click on Sublime Text version build 3211.dmg. And you can see it's opening the file. So let's go and minimize the Safari web browser. So it's opening the Sublime Text. So once it's open, you need to copy the Sublime Text to the applications folder. And here we go. And as you can see, we are copying the Sublime Text in the applications folder, and meanwhile we are trying to open the Sublime Text. That's why it takes a bit more time to load. Alright, so because we downloaded the Sublime Text from the internet, this is why this alert is popping. So there's no place to worry about it, just click open. And it's asking us, are you sure if you want to open it? So let's click open. Yes, and we are ready to code.